Is getting a TubShroom Ultra actually worth it? Let's find out. If you're not already familiar with the TubShroom, it's a little device that's designed to go into your bathtub to protect your drain and catch falling hairs as you bathe yourself, your children, or your pets with these little grooves and effectively stop your drains from clogging. And if you've ever had to deal with a clogged bathtub drain before like I have, and know firsthand how troublesome and gross it is to clean if you don't want to pay a professional, then you also know that what this really means is it saves you a lot of time and a lot of money. It's engineered with all these holes at the top so it won't have any impact on your tub's water flow, and it comes with a bunch of these drain adapters so it can fit any size drain no matter what kind of tub you have. Since I have this in hand, we're going to test together for the first time just how easy or difficult it is to install a TubShroom, and also I'm going to use it over the course of 5 days in a tub that I use just by myself to see how much hair it really catches, so you can decide for yourself whether or not getting a TubShroom really makes sense for you. All right, here we go. We're here in my bathtub, which I admittedly need to clean. Here is the bathtub drain. We're gonna go ahead and install this thing. I've unscrewed my bathtub plug from the drain and taken it out. Now I'm going to plop the TubShroom in. And that's literally it. We're done setting it up. I didn't have to use any of these adapters, so I also recommend that you try just installing it with the default one that it comes with first. And that's it for now. See you guys in 5 days. All right, it's been 5 total days of using the TubShroom now. Let's see how much hair it collected. And yeah, feel free to skip this part if you're easily grossed out. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. It all collected at the bottom, and it doesn't look like there's any visible hairs in the drain, so it really caught everything. That is quite impressive. Since the hair's really only collected up to here, I could probably keep using the TubShroom for a while before cleaning it, but I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. And there it is. That is quite a sizable amount after just 5 days. And there you have it. Now that we've seen together firsthand just how easy this is to install and how much hair it can collect after 5 days, hopefully now you have a good idea about whether or not the TubShroom is a worthwhile purchase for you. Personally, I'm really happy that I got one, and I think this is an essential addition to my bathtub and likely an essential addition to your bathtub too. Because I just showed you how much hair this thing collected for me firsthand after using it for 5 days. With my hair being like this, which would be considered probably long for men and short for women. But just imagine how much hair this thing can collect for you if you have just one member in your household that has longer hair than I do. So if you're looking for an affordable solution to prevent clogged drains in your bathtub that's very well designed, very easy to install, does what it's supposed to, and effectively will save you a lot of time and a lot of money, pick up a TubShroom Ultra for yourself today, and you're going to be set.